So you've heard about ClickUp, right? It's that software everyone seems to be talking about. But what exactly is it? Is it a project management tool? A productivity app? Or something entirely different? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine you're juggling work projects, personal tasks, and maybe even a side hustle. You've got to do lists, deadlines, and a million other things swirling around in your head. Wouldn't it be great to have one place to manage it all? That's where tools like ClickUp come in. At its core, ClickUp is a work management platform. But that's like saying a Swiss Army knife is just a knife. It's so much more than that. Think of it as a digital command center for your life or business. It's designed to help you organize, prioritize, and collaborate on everything from simple tasks to complex projects. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there to help you stay on top of things. But let's break it down. What can ClickUp actually do? Project management. One of the most popular uses for ClickUp is project management. It's got all the standard features you'd expect: task creation, assignment, due dates, and progress tracking. But it also goes beyond the basics. You can create custom views, set dependencies between tasks, and use time tracking to monitor productivity. Task management beyond projects. ClickUp is a powerful task management tool. You can create simple to-do lists, break down tasks into subtasks, and add checklists for detailed planning. There's even a feature called Goals to help you set long-term objectives and track your progress. Document collaboration. Need to collaborate on a document with your team? ClickUp has you covered. You can create and edit documents directly within the platform, share them with others, and leave comments for feedback. It's like Google Docs, but with added project management features. Communication. Effective communication is key to any successful project. ClickUp offers features like in-app chat, comments, and notifications to keep everyone in the loop. You can also create custom statuses for tasks to indicate their progress and communicate with your team. Time tracking. Want to know where your time is going? ClickUp's time tracking feature lets you record how much time you spend on different tasks and projects. You can use this data to identify time-wasting activities and improve your productivity. Goal setting. Goals is essential for personal and professional growth. ClickUp's goals feature helps you define your objectives, break them down into actionable steps, and track your progress. So, is ClickUp right for you? The beauty of ClickUp is its versatility. It can be used by individuals, small teams, and large enterprises. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or a project manager, there's a good chance ClickUp can help you streamline your workflow and increase productivity. However, it's important to note that while ClickUp offers a wide range of features, it might be overkill for some users. If you simply need a basic to-do list, there are simpler options available. But if you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one work management solution, ClickUp is definitely worth considering. Ultimately, the best way to determine if ClickUp is right for you is to give it a try. The platform offers a free plan with limited features, so you can test it out without committing to a paid subscription. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.